Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna and I make New York City based adventure videos spiked with love and positivity. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. It's going to be a DIY, make your own at-home lip balm. All natural ingredients, organic, everything in here is going to be super moisturizing. There are only 5 ingredients in these lip balms. So if you want to learn how to make them, then please keep watching.
For this recipe, I'll be using 5 all-natural organic ingredients. The first is cacao butter. The second is white beeswax pellets, but you can skip this if you are vegan. These 2 will harden the lip balm. The next is shea butter, which is quite soft. This too is organic. The next is another soft ingredient, which is the coconut oil. And finally, the last thing I like to add for an extra bit of moisture is olive oil. We are going to add equal parts of each ingredient. It's easy if you have a kitchen scale. You'll be able to measure out equal quantities, but in this case, I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of each ingredient. So here goes the cacao butter. This is going to act as the base for our balms, or if you choose to use it as a hand salve. If you want the consistency to be harder, then add more cacao butter and beeswax pellets. Again, if you are vegan, feel free to skip the beeswax pellets. You don't need to add them, but I find that it is a moisturizing ingredient, so I like to have it in my balm. Next, we're adding the shea butter. This boosts skin moisture, contains antioxidants, and vitamins like vitamin E and A. We're going to do another tablespoon of this. The consistency of my balms ended up being soft, and that is due to the shea butter, the olive oil that I'm going to add at the end, and the coconut oil. Speaking of coconut oil, that is what we're going to add next. Finally, I'm going to add a dash of olive oil. What we're going to do next is add all of the ingredients into a metal pot. So here are all the ingredients in the bowl. They go straight into the metal pot. And I'm not going to put this directly onto the fire. We need to get another pot, fill that with water. Make sure that the water is boiling, and then we're going to add this metal pot into this one right here, which has the water in it, and that water needs to be boiling first. Okay, here it is. The water is boiling, so now we are ready to melt all of our ingredients together. It's a good idea to not put everything directly onto the fire because we want to gently warm them up and melt them all together so they blend nicely. We don't want to burn anything. So this should only take a few minutes. Keep mixing them as they are melting, and soon enough you'll see that the mixture is going to become a golden clear color. Here it is. I have a few of the harder ingredients that have not fully melted. You can turn the fire off and just let this metal pot sit in the other one while the water is still warm, and everything will continue melting. In the meantime, get your tins and plastic containers ready. This is my collection, which I've collected over the years. I have a lot more, but I decided to just make a small batch for you today. So I cleaned them all out, rubbed them really well with alcohol to make sure that they are clean. And now that we have our golden mixture all blended together seamlessly, I'm going to start pouring the mixture into the containers. So there it goes. Just fill up your containers, and then we're gonna let everything cool at room temperature. We'll let everything solidify, and it should only take around 10 to 15 minutes for you to notice that the color is going to change and these balms are going to turn into a whitish color, and it will no longer be clear once everything has hardened and solidified. Here they are, all beginning to solidify, and you can notice that color change already. I hope you enjoy these. They're gonna be great.
Thanks so much for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoy your all-natural homemade lip balms. I know I will. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my videos when they go up on Thursday evenings. In the meantime, let's keep in touch on Instagram at Miss Anna Adventures. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in my next video. Bye!